Hey, I just wanted to come on again and add to my last video. A couple things that I wasn't prepared for that I should have been that I needed to show you. And I just also want to show you how to make a roller. So first of all, I'm going to show how to add the roller top on. It's super easy. So I'm going to put my camera down for you to see. So I'm going to put a roller top on my used bottle. So when you get your starter kit, you're going to have these two little attachments. Okay. So take the top of this on. I'm just using a bottle opener to pop that off, and then put this little fitment in here. And see, it won't stay on. That's why I was confused earlier. And when you put this lid on, it doesn't work. What you need to do is put this top on, take the white part off, and make sure you're using this black cap. It's what pushes it in. Screw it in tight, and then take it off, and voila, your oil just rolls on. And you're going to use this cap from now on. You can throw this white one away, or you can keep it to use with this bottle later once it's empty. The next thing I wanted to show was how to make a roller bottle. I'm going to make one for aches. And a few things I just wanted to clarify. When you're using essential oils, one of the reasons you might want to make a roller bottle is because of, let me talk to you, is because depending where you get your essential oils from, with Young Living, I feel comfortable in how they're made and putting it on my skin, but not every essential oil is made without additives. So you want to be careful putting it on meat, which means just putting the straight oil onto your skin without any dilution. Especially when you're starting out, though, it's better to dilute it with the carrier oil, just because essential oils are very concentrated, and with oils, the less is better. So that's one reason why you might want to use a roller. Another one, like I mentioned in the other video, is because they last longer. Obviously, when you dilute it, there's going to be more of it. And the last reason is just convenience. So please give me my little egg roller. And also, you're going to find a lot of different information and resources on how many essential oils to add, how much carrier oil, but I'm just going to show you the conclusion that I came to. So you can buy these off Amazon or at a health food store or whatever website you want. These will actually come separately. I forgot to take this off. See if I can pull it off with this. Okay, so it's empty. So for my egg roller, I'm going to add Copaiba. I'm going to do 5 drops. I am then going to do lavender. I'm going to do 5 drops. Whoa, that one did not come out very well. Normally they drop in really easily. So I don't know how many drops that was. I'm going to do Valor in this one. Valor is my all-time favorite essential oil. If I was on stranded on a deserted island, I would take Valor. I love how it smells, and I love how it affects my emotions, and I just love everything that it does for me. So I'm also going to add 5. And then I'm going to do spearmint. And oops, Panaway, which is the most important one for this blend. And I'm just going to do 5. That one's coming out fast too. All right, so the rest I am going to use carrier oil. I'm going to use jojoba oil. Others you can use. There are so much of different kinds. You can use grapeseed, you can use almond oil, olive oil, anything you want. So I have this little pipette, I guess that's how you say it. Really, I could just pour it in, but it's super messy, so it's going to be hard. And I think mine broke. So I would add at least double of what you're doing with your essential oils. So if I've put 25 drops of essential oils, I'm going to do at least 50. You probably want to do a lot more than that. And obviously mine isn't working. And you may not have time for this. So instead of using that, see if this will work. I am just going to fill it up about 3 times more than what's in there. So I'm just going to dump this in. And of course it's not coming out, so I'm just going to see what happens if I try to do this. Young Living also has a vegetable oil that's really good, but I don't have it yet. Add a little bit more. Okay. So then you just take the top, pop it on. And my hands are really oily now, but now you can roll it on those muscles that are achy, or if you have a headache, it could help. I just carry it around with me everywhere, and this blend smells really nice. Last thing I wanted to show were these capsules that you can also use essential oils with. I'm not going to make one right now, but it's kind of the same concept. So whatever you feel comfortable with, put this up again. So the kind of oils that you buy at a store that's maybe not a health food store or not super trustworthy or that are really cheap, you don't want to put in your mouth, you don't want to swallow. I trust Young Living Vitality Oil is the one that has the white labels on. It means you can add them to water, to tea, to capsules, to food. It's honestly the only brand that I trust. So when you want to make a capsule, just pull them apart. It really depends how much you're comfortable with putting in here. If I were to make a Thieves capsule, I'd probably just do 2 drops. They're very concentrated, so remember that. So 2 drops, and then of essential oil, and maybe 4 to 6 of carrier oil. And you can also drop them on your tongue too. You don't have to do it in a capsule, but if you're wanting to make a blend, like say a seasonal blend, at the time of year when there's a lot of pollen and get stuffy, I'm not going to use the word because I want to be FDA compliant, but for that I would use lavender and lemon and peppermint. And I would try it in a capsule and use it every day during the season. And I really think it's going to help. Couple more things I wanted to touch on, which I should have earlier. And I apologize for that. But with Young Living, you're going to see that there are blends and individual ones. And you probably figured that out already. But oils like copaiba, lavender, say cedarwood, those are just pure, or like it's just that one oil. But Young Living has a blend like Valor and Panoay and Thieves, and those have a lot of different oils together to make the perfect blend for whatever system you're targeting. And I also just wanted to point out that some oils are photosensitive, so especially the citrus ones like lemon, grapefruit, orange. If you have it on your skin, don't want to go outside because you might get really burned. So anyway, thanks for listening. Bye everyone.